Steph Stankco loves playing with her dolls.
Hey, Steph Stankco! May I play with your dolls, please?
Yes. Steph Stankco can play with Steph's dolls. Little Susie is making dinner. She is making steak.
Let's add the pepper to the steak.
Let's put it in the oven. Put it to 200 degrees.
No, I put it in the oven.
It's Steph's turn.
Oh yeah?
Wah. Dad. Steph Stankco pushed Steph Stankco.
Oh. Steph Stankco, how dare you push Steph Stankco? You know that's not nice. That's it, you are grounded for 1,250 days. Go to your room right now.
What?